Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. Timer's ticking. Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started.
Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon, my friends. Let's jump into the stream, man. It's Sunday night. Bitcoin's coming down to test support. It's going to be an interesting week of close today, guys. Let's get it.
Hey, guys. Hey, guess what? You know why Jordan's going on vacation? Well, guess what? You guys are right. I'm his best man. I'm his best man. Yeah. Yeah, me. Everyone say congratulations. I'm his best man. Look at me. I'm so nice to Jordan. Aren't I? Aren't I? By the way, guys, we're probably going to dump because every time Jordan goes on vacation, we dump. All right? So we're going to dump. I'm sorry. It was not my fault. Okay? I tried to warn you. But we're going to dump. All right? See you guys. Peace.
Yo! What's going on, man? What's going on? I'm just kidding, man. We're just kidding around. No, Jordan's not getting married. I'm just kidding. You will never see your boy do anything crazy like that. What's going on, man? JW wanted to be the best man. What's going on, Mayor? What's going on? All right, guys. Bitcoin. We got the weekly close coming up. You guys can see the price right under me right here, 19,888. Bitcoin's coming down to its psychological lows. Coming down to its weekly lows. Are we going to break it on the weekly close tonight? This could be an interesting stream, man. Interesting, and probably not the way that we want to see an interesting stream on a Sunday night. Yeah, but nevertheless, it is what it is. Here comes Bitcoin right now, by the way. Let's switch on to the chart here so you guys can see a little bit better. There we go. 19,873 Bitcoin right at support as we speak. And we're not even going to have time to do the intro. We got to jump right into it today. Holy moly, man. Are we going to have to play the dump song right away? Dump it. Because I don't want to do it, man. I don't want to do it. What's going on? What's going on, man? By the way. Right? By the way, man. Here's the thing. You guys are too funny, man. Here we go. Here it is. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Bitcoin's breaking support right now as we speak. Guys, we have the stock market futures opening up red today. S&P futures down about 70.77%. You're seeing Bitcoin and ETH coming down the weekly close. Here we go. We're going to kick it off with a dump. Here we go, man. Here we go. Let's see if Bitcoin can break these wicks down here, my friends. We're starting off with a banger right now. An absolute banger. Here we go, man. 19,852. There it goes. Right when we start the stream, man. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. 19,854. Now, guys, before we get too carried away, okay? I know Bitcoin is pushing support right now, guys. All right, Bitcoin is pushing support. You know, with the stock market looking like it could be red tomorrow, depending on what happens. Okay, it's still early. Everything can change, right? We can change that. You guys can see the title of the stream though. Bitcoin is holding on to support at the weekly close. What is this support that Jordan's talking about? Well, let's go over here to our handy dandy notebook, okay? Now, this is the one pattern, okay? For all the bulls out there, this is the one pattern that I'm looking at that could possibly play out. We looked at this on Friday, and we sort of said, okay, if on Friday we were dumping, okay? Bitcoin was coming back down to test the support on Friday. Bada bing, bada boom. We got support on it. The whole weekend, I was watching this like a hawk. Who had like, who was trying to hunt down a couple mice, man. I was trying to hunt this down. Bitcoin, as we speak, is holding that support level right here. I will tell you this. This is Bitcoin's last hope. I wouldn't say last hope. That's a little bit too crazy. Jordan, just tell them Bitcoin has no more hope. We're going to 19,200. There's no more hope for you bulls. I'm sorry. You know, you keep DCAing and you keep buying the dip and you keep getting wrecked. Sell. Just wait till we hit 10K. It's coming, okay? It's coming. I don't mean to be mean, but I'm rich and you're not. It's coming, guys. It's coming. Sorry, Joe. But no, this is it. This is it. If this breaks right here, if this level breaks right here, that we're currently sitting on a close, I got to assume that we're coming back down to the 786 Fibonacci, back down here towards towards right here at about 19,200, 19,300, right in that range, which is basically our 786 Fibonacci level. Okay, it's coming. So pay attention to this, my man. That's the previous swing low. That's if you take the swing low to the swing high and you take that 786 retracement. That is where the 786 retracement sits, guys, right there at about 19,300 or so. That could be where Bitcoin's next stop is if we can't hold this support. If we can, okay, it's a big if. At this point, this is a big if, okay? I was hoping for a bounce this weekend, and it just did not play out, man. Bitcoin just had no buy pressure to the upside. No one wanted to scoop up any BTC at these levels, and it just flatlined. Like it just went completely flat. Like ridiculous, man. Just completely flat the whole weekend. You didn't see any type of bounce, and now you find yourselves just holding on to hope, sitting right there at the bottom of this wedge formation, where we do have multiple touches on both sides here. So it is a valid wedge. It's just a matter of, do they want to push it up to the upside? We'll find out, right? We'll find out. I respect the wedge until it breaks, okay? So until it breaks, I'm going to respect the wedge. But we are holding on to hope right now. As we bounce back up a little bit. Here we go. We bounce back up. I mean, right now, really, guys, Bitcoin's just in a range, right? I mean, it's the 15-minute chart. We're sort of just in a range, right? Just horizontal resistance, horizontal support, just bouncing up, down, up, down. It was kind of a boring weekend, man. To be honest, like this weekend was super boring. It was super good for trading though. If you were scalp trading, it was a really freaking good weekend, man. Right? For all the hodlers out there, they're out here biting their nails. They're out here literally biting their nails, man. Shit. I told people Bitcoin was gonna go up, and it's just sitting here. Shit. The chat is gonna attack me. The chat is gonna be toxic. It's okay. Colt, you know what to do. I am George. We're all George. All right, let's spread some hopium here, guys, real quick. All right, so, guys, if you want to take a look at this Bitcoin chart right here, Bitcoin on the hourly chart, Jordan is showing that we are in a falling broadening wedge. What is a falling broadening wedge? Which is typically a bullish reversal pattern, okay? It's when you see lower highs and lower lows, but it's in a broadening channel. This means that we're gonna go up, okay? There is no more dumpage, and quite frankly, we are gonna go up to the upside, and nothing is gonna stop Bitcoin at this point, guys. The institutions are buying. No one's selling Bitcoin at 19K. Get over it. We are gonna go up from here. Continue to DCA, continue to hodl, and we will make it through until the next side, okay? We are going to go up, my friends. We're going to go up, all right? I'll see you guys later. Peace. Thank you, Jordan. Thank you, Jordan. No Q&A today. No Q&A. None of that Q&A, my friends. None of that Q&A. Go up. By the way, guys, we can smack up the like button. Smack up the like button for your boy. All right, and if you missed it on Friday, I did update the Crypto Madness tournament. Before we continue here, guys, I did update the Crypto Madness tournament. So if you guys want to play, here is the bracket. I pinned it in the top of the chat. If you guys want to fill out your bracket, you can do it now. It's going to show all your names. Here's everyone who submitted predictions so far. Crypto Z, Ahmed, John, Jamie, Bruno, Switch Lanes, JJ's making. We got everyone in here. I see Clint. I bet Clint's bracket is horrible. Horrible. DJ, we got everyone here. It seems like we got everyone in here right now. But if you want to play, don't be afraid to fill out your bracket. We'll be having a prize this is going to be a weekly contest. We're going to do every single week. It's a lot of fun. We used to do this way back in the day, and it was a lot of fun, man. So you want to fill out your bracket, pin to the top of the chat. It is fixed now. Okay, so we're good to go. But anyways, let's jump back to the 1 hour chart, guys. So here's the deal, guys. We know on Friday, we said that we are expecting a massive move. We are expecting volatility for Bitcoin. Well, we got it, right? We definitely got that volatility. You know, the BBWP was super low, right? Which means the Bollinger Bands are super tight. And we continue to say that we love tight things in this channel, man. We love tight things, okay? But what we don't love is tight things before Jordan's going on vacation, okay? When we get tight things before Jordan goes on vacation, that usually means, well...
Everybody panic, we're going to zero.
Every single time I go on vacation, we've dumped. So if you want to use that as an indicator, go ahead. It's probably like the Chainlink indicator, where every time Chainlink pumps, Bitcoin also goes down to the downside. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, let's look at the hourly time frame real quick, because we are in a technical bullish pattern, okay? Now, take it for what you will. It's the hourly chart. I would like it better if it was on like the 4 hour or the daily, but this is technically a bullish chart, guys. When you get these falling broadening wedges, okay, which is typically a bullish reversal pattern, okay? Now, I took it by the closes. I don't care about wicks. Sometimes I care about wicks, but not here, all right? We got lower highs coming in on the closes right here. We got lower lows coming in on the closes right here. Now, this could potentially dump all the way back down to the bottom here again, right? This could dump all the way back down. Like if you extend this out, this could potentially dump all the way back down to like 19,400, 300 before coming back up. But this is a technical bullish pattern. Okay, so take it for what you will. Will it break out to the upside? We'll find out. But we are expecting a massive move coming up relatively soon. Why? We take a look at our BBWP down here, which means the Bollinger Bands are getting tight on the 1 hour time frame. All right? You should expect a tight Bollinger Band to expand Bitcoin's price in some direction. Okay? So take it for what you will. There's a technical short-term bullish pattern. Will it break out? I was hoping it was going to break out earlier, and we got a wick up, and we wicked right back down. We can't get any break above this resistance line, guys. I mean, look at how many times we tried this. We wicked above it, rejected. Wicked, rejected. We just keep getting rejected off it, man. So we'll see if we have enough juice. We'll see if we got the juice for Bitcoin to break this at some point here, guys. At the moment, Bitcoin's sitting right at support again, though. Like, we are really testing that weekly close, man. Really testing that weekly close. All I heard was BBW. Listen, there ain't no BBWs over here. The only one that's over here, we got Maj and we got Melissa, okay? Where Melissa, definitely not that, okay? Hey, baby. You looking for me? You looking for some tight action? Well, you gotta look somewhere else, because that's not me, baby. I've been messing with Jabba, so you know what that means. I ain't got no tight. But baby, when the Bollinger Bands loosen up, I'm here for you. I'm here for you, baby. I'm here for you. Just let me know. Just let me know. Oh shit! Here comes Becker. Oh, he's gonna shit on me. Hold on. Here comes Becker. What the hell did I just see? Oh my lord! That chick that I just saw is one of you idiots that lives in your basement would mess with. Okay? Only one of you idiots that lives in your basement that I've banged your mom multiple times would mess with the chick that was just on the screen. She looks absolutely disgusting, okay? And if you go near her, you're going to be one of these guys who just bought the top at 25K. You're going to be one of those guys like Clint, okay? That messes with a girl like Melissa, all right? I'm over here banging 10s while you're over here banging Melissa because you bought at 25K and I'm about to buy the bottom here, all right? But don't be a pussy, guys. Don't be the pussy who hangs out with Melissa, all right? Jesus, man. Bunch of pussies. Anyways, let's get off that. 19,884. Keith said I would do it. Of course you would, Keith. I would not expect anything less than you, man. I would not expect anything less than you. Nothing less. Nothing less. Anyways, guys, let's jump back to the chart. So this is the 1 hour time frame, guys. It is a bullish pattern. We'll see if it breaks the upside. If it doesn't, just like we said, like if this doesn't hold right here, you're going to be breaking a couple massive levels, man. A couple massive levels here. Let's go back over to this chart here. If you break the current level you're at right now on a close, you're going to be breaking this potential falling wedge, which is like the last bullish pattern that you can find for the bulls, okay? This is the last one. After this one, there is nothing. You can't pull up anything to even support your bullish bias if this level doesn't hold right here. We've got a few wicks below it today, but we did not break. If this level breaks, 19.2. All right? We already broke this bear flag, okay? And I know everyone's going to be saying, everyone's going to be calling for, here's the deal. Here's the deal today, guys. Here's the deal, okay? Bitcoin's at 19,900. Everyone and their mother that I see on Twitter is calling for 14K. Every single person. I do not see one person that's not calling for 14,000. Now, I'm not going to sit here and act like an idiot and say 14,000 is impossible. No, 14,000 is very, very, very possible. Very possible, man. But listen, everyone's calling for it. We gotta hit it if everyone's calling for it. We'll find out. Technically speaking, all right, the measure move target of this bear flag, you take the swing high, swing low, extrapolate it from that last touch, does put you right at 14K. Technically speaking, it does. Literally right at 14K. Like, you can't even make this shit up. It's right at 14K, okay? Everyone's calling for 14K. Even if Bitcoin does come and make new lows, is it going to let everyone buy at 14K? I don't know, man. I don't know. But to be fair, I've said the same thing in the past, but I don't know. Is it going to get front run 15K, 16K? We'll find out if it does break a level. We still haven't broken yet. Okay? So take it for what you will. I mean, these bear flags have been pretty legit the whole way down. I mean, every time we break one, we do end up hitting the target at some point. So you got to take it for what it is. It's there. You can't just ignore it. We'll see what happens, man. Here's what I'll say on the weekly time frame, all right? And because it's the weekly close looks pretty bad so far. I'm not going to lie. Like, you don't want to see two weekly candles and then the second one, you don't want to see. Here's what you don't want to see, basically. Here's what you don't want to see on the weekly time frame. Now, this could change, but as far as candles goes, right, you don't want to see it like this. You don't want to see a bearish engulfing weekly candle like this and then another weekly candle with no wick on the bottom side. That's not what you want to see, okay? You want to at least see a little buy pressure coming in. This just says that like there's no buy pressure coming in at all. I'll continue to say this. What I want to see for Bitcoin, okay? Technically is all you can be, David. Facts. Can't change that, Dave. Can't change that, my friend. You definitely can't change that. Here's what we want to see in the weekly time frame, guys. If we want this to be the bottom, okay? And this is what we talked about on Friday. We are coming to test it. This is the test of all tests for Bitcoin. Okay, the test of all tests for Bitcoin. There's a lot of people who think the bottom are in. There's a lot of people who don't think the bottom is in. This is the test for Bitcoin. All right. We want to see Bitcoin make a higher low on the weekly time frame. All right. This is what we want to see, my friends. All right. So get it in your thick skull. Your thick skull. All right. Because a lot of you guys got thick skulls. I got a thick skull too. If I think something's right, I will argue to the death. Okay. Until the other person just says, all right, whatever. I have a thick skull too, so I'm not saying you guys have all thick skulls. My skull is very, very thick, okay? Very, very thick, man. So take it for what you will. We want to see the higher low come in, man. Let's go over here. Okay? If we want Bitcoin to bottom, we got to see something like 2018 where we create a higher low. We got to see something like 2014, 2015, where we hit the bottom, we continually just made higher low closes. Doesn't mean we can't wick. We could see a massive, huge wick and come right back up. But what we want to see is a continued weekly higher low, okay? And right now is the test, right? The previous weekly low was at 19.2, what was it? Hold on. The previous weekly low was at 19,250, okay? Right now you're at 19,900. We'll call it 900. All I want to see, okay, for this week, which it looks like we will unless we dump right here, but next week I want to see Bitcoin hopefully close green, but at least close above 19,250. If it doesn't, well, we're out. No, this is not a trend line. This is not a trend line. Cryptos are us. This is not a trend line, my man. This is just illustrating that I want to see a higher low. This ain't no trend line, man. Come on. This ain't no trend line, man. Rain alert. If this breaks, though, we don't want to see that, my friends. Let's see. Can we make meatloaf with Mountain Dew sauce? Prepared by JW, preparing it with his feet. I can do that. Would you guys want to see me drink meatloaf mixed with Mountain Dew? I'd do it. It's got to be some type of bet, though, where if I win, you guys have to do something. Because that's not fair. I don't like these bets where I have to do something if I'm wrong. I don't like these, man. So I'm willing to drink Mountain Dew with meatloaf, okay? Made by Bob, by the way.
That sounds freaking awesome. When are we doing that? I'll make it right now, Jordan. What do you want to bet? What do you want to bet? Meatloaf mixed with Mountain Dew? I'm done. I got that already prepared. I eat that every day. It's not weird. Wait, why do you even want to do that as a bet? You trying to say I'm weird? You trying to say I'm weird? There's nothing wrong with that. Okay? There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I get a little gassy, but who gives a shit? It's a bear market. No one gives a shit about anything right now. Everyone's just trying to survive, and I'm out here just farting. Like, nice, man. Who gives a shit? It's clown world anyway.
Jordan, we'll have to worry about us having to do something when you're finally right for once. John. You think you're funny, John? You think you're funny? You think you're funny? We'll find out. That's a weak bet. Save the gas, bro. All right, anyways. Let's jump back into this, guy. So we want to see Bitcoin just make a higher low on the weekly time frame, man. All right? Let me look at what you guys are saying in the chat. David said, technically is all you can be BC. Okay. And then David said, the test is over. This is going to be Goblin Town. This is going to Goblin Town. God. David, come on, man. Don't be scared in the chat. Just kidding. It's definitely possible. Thomas said, in my opinion, one reason for 14K Bitcoin, 2 weekly 200 EMA, 2 weekly 200 MA recently approached on the chart. It could be strong base. It can be a strong base. What do you think? I mean, 14K has so many different there's so many reasons why Bitcoin could go to 14K. There's so many reasons why it could. Will it? We'll find out. But 14K is the most obvious area for so many different reasons. And sometimes obvious actually works, right? You have the previous 2019 highs right there at 14K. You have this last vector candle, right? Vector candles means that there's a lot of volume that came in right here, which means there's probably a lot of liquidity to come back down here and take by the market makers right here, okay? You got literally the bottom of that vector candle coming in right here at 14K, all right? There's so much confluence with that level that it does make a lot of sense for that to be Bitcoin's next stop, especially after breaking this bear flag, right? And not only that, the bear flag target is exactly 14K. You can't make this stuff up, right? Where's the target of this bear flag? Boom, 14K, okay? There's so much stuff calling for it, all right? Now, I'm not going to be calling for that until Bitcoin smacks 19.3. If Bitcoin smacks 19.3, dude, it's not going to look too good. It's not going to look too good for little old Bitcoin here, man. And is it a coincidence? Also, is it a coincidence that I'm going on vacation? Okay? Is it a coincidence? I don't think so. So, we'll find out, my friends. We'll find out.
Wait, Jordan, you're going on vacation? Why didn't you invite me? And on top of it, Bitcoin is going to dump? What the... This is ridiculous! Jordan, I thought we were friends! Why am I not invited? You pick Maya over me? You pick Maya over me, your best friend? Fine. You know what? Have fun. I don't even want to hang out with you anyway. You're so bearish. You're just a bear.
Come on. Dude, the DXY. We can check out the DXY. All right, here comes Bitcoin. Here comes Bitcoin, guys. 19,835. Bitcoin's coming in hot and heavy to the downside. Here we go, man. Here we go. Jordan, why do you guys always say go on vacation? I actually don't go on vacation that much. I actually don't. You guys say, there's other people who go on vacation like literally every 2 weeks. George. You know what I'm saying? Oh, my Lord. Here comes Bitcoin right now. Giant wick to the downside. Here we go. Here we go. And we're going back to McDonald's, guys. And back to McDonald's. Okay. Well, I'll see you later, guys. My shift starts right now. Yeah, man. I'm out. Peace. Peace out, guys. I'll see you next time. See ya. See you guys. And I fart when I come back. Here we go. 19,685. Oh, lordy, man. I hope you guys screenshot me sometimes, right? I have like these weird faces that you guys don't even know what's going on. All right, 19.7. So here it is. Let's go back to this chart, man. This is still in play. All right, here's the deal. We got 34 minutes into the close, guys. 34 minutes until the close. But right now, right, we said expect a volatile move on the 1 hour time frame. Here it is. Here comes the BBWP. BBWP coming up. This could be your volatile move, man. So this could be, all right, the volatile move that we were waiting for right here. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what happens here, my friends. We said expect a volatile move. Here it comes, man. 19,734. Let me see. Jordan just dipped to get a short. No, man. If I was a short, I would have shorted this 20 EMA right here. I don't got a trade open at the moment. I would have shorted this 20 EMA right here. Because, dude, Bitcoin just couldn't get any momentum. Now, technically it isn't a bullish pattern, but I mean, with the stock markets closing the way they did last week, and the stock markets closed like shit last week, man. They literally closed like shit last week. I mean, you couldn't have closed any worse. Like, if you go to the NASDAQ, Dude, look at how the NASDAQ closed. I mean, like, it's like, you didn't have any wick on the bottom. Like, it was just continuation. Okay, no buy pressure coming in on the NASDAQ. S&P, continuation. There was nothing. S&P futures, down a little bit to open. Nothing crazy, but continuation. That doesn't look like a candle to me that you just want to start coming back up instantly. At least at the moment. Let's see how we open on tomorrow, but that doesn't look like one of those candles, man. All right, let's watch Bitcoin. Let's see where we close, guys. Wait for the close, though. Wait for the close. 15-minute close in 2 minutes. 15-minute probably looking a little shady at the moment. 1 hour close in 32 minutes. So there we go, man. There we go. I don't know if you will be reading, but just wanted to say thank you. Fida, thanks for watching, man. You got no reason to say thank you, man. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys watching this every single day. And listen to me ramble, because quite frankly, I like to ramble, my man. I like to ramble and go on forever. That's what I like to do. Frank Fractal, what's up, bud? Check BTC on the monthly. We are about to get bearish engulfing on the monthly. Let's check it out. Is it the month? No, it's not the monthly close. Obviously not. One more thing on Bitcoin here, right? And this is for the bears, right? And we continue to talk about this, guys. Is if Bitcoin does not, okay, repeat, if Bitcoin does not hold the lows, okay, it's doing the same thing it did the last couple bear markets. Like, you know, I mean, it just boop, 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 boop. It just relatively stays where the previous bear markets did, right? This is just overlaying the two previous bear markets. They both show boop. Right? One of them was the bottom at technically 14K. One of them the bottom at technically at 10K. Those are the two levels everyone's calling for, right? 10K, 14K. Technically speaking, that's where you should end up if it continues to act like the two previous bear markets. I get it. It's a different time. Blah, 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 blah. I get that, right? But this is for all the bears out there, okay? If it just continues to follow what it's done always, you know, 10, 14K is where it should be. It's where it should be, man. All right? So here we go. Like, Bitcoin's at 19.7. If we go to the 4-hour chart, next support, which should be support, is at 19.3, technically speaking, right? 19.3. So we'll see. 19.3. Let's see. This man is full of meatloaf. Let's see. Jim Cramer's fault. Talking about 2 bad days, dude. We got to go down even more. Friggin' Jim Cramer, man. Jim Cramer coming out here. But guys, listen, like, all right, here's the deal, man. Here's the deal. Who knows what happens next week? Guys? Let me do a quick poll at this point, right? Man. Bitcoin breaking down. Where is your next buy level? I'm curious what you guys think. Where's your next buy level? Let me ask you guys this. Let me ask 19K. Let me ask 17K to 18K. Let me do 14K to 17K. Let me say below 14K. I don't know why I picked those numbers. Take it for what you will. But I'm always curious what you guys do. Where is your next buy level for BT Sizzle as it comes back down to test the lows? Let me know, man. Let me know in the chat. Man. Hope everyone's got a little bit. Dude, that's why I always tell you guys, do not go all in. Because you got to be stressing out the moves like crazy, man. Always have some dry powder on the sidelines. Because I tell you guys this all the time. Be prepared for anything, okay? Now, we might look at the charts and say, all right, we might be bullish or we might be bearish. But you can be wrong. Be prepared for any way Bitcoin could go, all right? Always have something on the sidelines in case it goes lower than what you think it's going to go, right? Always have something on the sides. Whether it's friggin' $5 or you know, whatever you guys' situation is, right? Could be $5. I don't know. Always have some dry powder on the sidelines, man. Because you never know where it could go, right? Technical target's 14K. We'll see what happens next, my man. We'll see what happens next. And I'll continue to say, Bitcoin, technically speaking, bottoms a year after the previous high. Will it be different? Well, to be fair, the top was, I guess, relatively different than all the other tops. So will the bottom be different? Who knows? No one really knows. We're all just guessing at the end of the day, man. At the end of the day, everyone's just guessing. But wait, all you can say is, well, here's what I could say. Bitcoin technically bottoms a year after the halving. So that's in the beginning of November, right? We topped out in the 8th of November. Okay, technically Bitcoin topped out the 8th of November. So if you expect Bitcoin bottom to be in the beginning of November 2022, right? If you just take it from that standpoint, I do think, I continue to say, the people who continue to accumulate, I know it sounds like a broken record, because that's how the bear market works, man. You just continuously, it's carnage until it's not, okay? You can have a year worth of carnage that's blown away in a couple months. If you don't believe me, go back to 2019 and also go back to 2020 if you don't believe me, okay? Because it's true. The people who continue to accumulate over the next year, in my opinion, will be the true winners. The people that are continuously calling for lower will be the losers again, okay? Because they'll never buy, you know what I'm saying? That's just the way that it always goes. Right now, it doesn't seem like that, right? The bears are awesome, but here's the deal, man. Quick rant alert here, okay?
Rant alert.
And at this point, who knows what's going to happen, right? The bears are always right, and this is one of my biggest things about bears, man. It's fine to be a bear, right? If you think Bitcoin's going to go lower, that's fine. You guys know I've been bearish a million different times, man. You guys hated me for like months because I was consistently bearish for months, okay? You guys hated me. I remember that time. You're like, I don't like bearish, Jordan. Here's what I'll say, man. The bears are right when the price goes down, but they're not right. They end up not being right in the end because they never buy. They never buy. So who cares if they're right when the price goes down? They never buy. You know what I'm saying? And half of them don't even know how to short. So they're just sitting there like, oh, I'm going to hold all my bags on the sidelines. And they never buy, you know? So all I say is this. Have your levels and be ready to accumulate wherever your level is. I'm not going to say accumulate right now. If you don't want to buy right now, that's fine. That's fine. Just have your levels and be ready. Be ready whenever your level is, man. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. If your level's 14K, stick to your plan. If your level's 10K, stick to your plan. If your level's 19K, stick to your plan. Just stick to your plan. Okay? Don't be that bear who never buys. That's all my point. That's all my point, man. Let's see. Just trade, buying sucks. I disagree. Someone who says that clearly has never been through a bull run before. Because one bull run will smash all the money that a trader makes throughout a whole bear market. I will say that. People got too bullish too fast. Fed was always doing this. Yeah, we'll find out, man. This is a decent price, I'd say. Who knows? It might not be for everyone, right? And I always say, do not buy if you're not okay with the price going down another 50%. If you buy right now and you don't think Bitcoin can go to 10K, you're doing the wrong thing, man. You're doing the wrong thing. Only buy now if you're okay with Bitcoin going down another 50%. Because no one knows what's going to happen, man. That's it. Let's see. Check the DXY. Let's check the DXY. Check the DXY. Yeah, DXY going up, man. DXY is going up. I told you guys, I don't think the DXY is bottomed yet. I don't. All right, tops, I should say. The opposite of Bitcoin. I don't think the DXY is topped. I'm waiting for the only bullish scenario that I see at the moment, which might not even be true, is you create this triple bearish divergence, right? Where you have one hit, two hits, three higher highs, and you have three lower highs. That's it. If this doesn't play out and you just smash this to the upside, it's over, man. It's over. You know what I mean? All you can look at is what the chart tells you. You do have bearish divergence right now, but will it play out? Who knows? Who knows? And I always said trying to do TA on the DXY is sort of meaningless because it's just based off other currencies. You know, it's not really. I mean, technically it's a tradable asset, but it's not really. So, you know, trying to do TA on the DXY is kind of it's kind of meaningless in my opinion. Let's see. That ain't nothing but DXY can go up. 120 DXY will be awesome. I can always tell the people who want the price to go down in the chat versus the people who don't. Always, man. Always. Let's see. Cryptos are us. That's what I just said, buddy. You know what I'm saying? All right. So what we got, guys? All right, my shift starts. Here comes my shift, man. Who else is working in McDonald's with me right now? Who else is working at McDubs? Wait, is that who I think it is? Oh, shit, man. I can't tell people that I work here. I used to wear Gucci shirts and buy grills because I thought it was cool. Shit, man. I can't tell people I work at McDonald's. Shit. All right, sorry. We won't tell them. We won't tell them. But I gotta tell everyone here how awesome I am. Guys, guess what? I'm the 385th biggest channel in the interwebs. All right, guys. Today we're gonna talk about. I'll tell you about everything here. Okay. Today we're gonna talk about XRP. And now I believe it's going to $385 in 2021, okay? And this is exactly why I think it's going to $385 in 2021, okay? That's it. That's it. All right? $385 in 2021. TJ, you agree? You agree?
Yeah, BitBoy, anything you say is true. Anything you say is true, BitBoy. Oh, yeah, you want some fries with that? You want fries with that? McDouble? Okay, yeah, McDouble. Okay, thank you. Yeah, if you want, you can get an apple pie for an extra 50 cents. You want that? Yes, absolutely. Here you go. Everyone's working at McDonald's, man. Let's see. $5.89, my bad. I undershot it just a little bit, man. Just a little bit. All right, here comes BTC, guys. 19,675. This is getting carnagey right now. There's that move, bro. There is the move. Let me get rid of this for now. But there's that move, man. Yeah. 19,321, my friends. Let's see. Apple pies are their best. Dude, the apple pies. I will say this. Quick rant alert real quick, guys. All right? The apple pies at McDonald's are actually really good. They're actually really good. If you're ever craving an apple pie, because sometimes I'll go to the grocery store and be like, I want an apple pie. Every grocery store that I check does not have apple pies. But the apple pies at McDubs, oh, bro. Oh, my Lord. I would eat like 6 of those things. Hey, boom, 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 boom. But a boom, 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 boom. Just popping those things in my mouth. Give me all those apple pies, man. They are absolutely delicious. Let me know. You guys agree? McDonald's apple pies, yes or no? Let me know in the chat. The Victor candle, we got some Victor candles up here. To be fair, all you guys saying Victor candles, we do have Victor candles up here that we never took. Whoops. All these Vector candles up here, spanning up to 22K. Bitcoin hasn't given 2 shits about those yet. It could at some point. But this is why you can't always trust the Vector candles, man. You can't just look at it and go, holy shit, we got Vector candles. We're going to come back up here. No, sometimes they'll go, oh, and they'll just continue to dump it down. You know what I mean? Especially when you have a confirmed trend. Sometimes they don't give a shit about those Vector candles, man. That's why I say, like, when you're in a confirmed downtrend, a confirmed uptrend, the Vector candles are good when you're in a little bit of a range. But other than that, like, you can leave these for a significant amount of time. And you got to use your best judgment when it comes to those, you know? So take it for what you will, man. All this shows me is that you're getting the volume's coming in on this move. The volume is coming in hot on that move. And it looks like you're just going to sit here, not make any wick. At least at the moment, you got 19 minutes into the daily close, guys. You know, Burger King used to have a mean cherry pie, bro. Cherry pie is a no-no. Cherry pie is a no-no. All right, total market cap, guys. Here was the other wedge we were looking at here. Yeah, man. I mean, right now, I would argue that you're breaking this to the downside. Definitely breaking this to the downside right now, guys. Depending if you want to take it from the wicks, okay? So this rising wedge that we looked at, you know, on this move up, we were talking about at some point it's going to come back down, okay? And we broke down from that rising wedge. Bada bing, bada boom, all right? Rising wedge, pooped it to the downside. And then we kind of formed this falling wedge, right? But it looks like that one wants to get crushed to the downside.
depending on the close, right? If we can come back up a little bit, all right, maybe we're good. But, you know, it looks like that wants to come down here. Now, you got this 618 Fibonacci level here. This is total market cap, right? From your swing low to your swing high, you got this 618 fib coming in right there. Could we get a bounce off the 618 fib? Maybe. The keyword is definitely maybe here. But that could be a level to watch. That's at like 920 billion. Hope if we want to take this, if you want to draw this from the wicks, you know, I guess this is sort of the last possible chance you could draw this. I don't think you can draw this any type of bullish way, to be honest. The hope is a bounce and a move up. I don't think that's going to be realistic if you close below this, though. All right, so watch that level very, very carefully, man. It's the golden pocket, my friend. The golden pocket. Watch that 618 fib. Let's see. I was going to buy around 19.5K. I think I'm going to wait and see. Tired of trying to catch falling knives. Yeah, hey, you do you, man. Listen, I'm not going to judge you any way you're looking at it. Just all I'm saying is don't be the bear who never buys. You know what I mean? Because at some point, it's not gonna let you get back in, man. Might not be right now, right? I mean, the stock market looks like it's just getting crushed. Look at the stock market, man. getting crushed today, my friend. I mean, you can't change it. You can't change it, man. Jen, what's going on? Think we'll see sub 5K link, sub 27-cent algo. I'll check those in a second, for sure. But yeah, I mean, S&P futures coming down hot and heavy at the moment. You got a daily gap, but it's a 4-hour gap, but. Let me go to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, you got the daily gap, but you're just pooping that to the downside too. Sub 5K, $5 link. Let's take a look. At the daily time frame. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I think it's definitely possible. I mean, if you look at this, you broke trend on link, right? 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4 hits. And then you smacked it to the downside, right? So you got to go that you just broke trend. I mean, it is what it is. You know what I mean? You can't look at it any other way. Maybe you could draw it like this if you want to. Even if you draw it like this, you're breaking trend, right? Any way you look at it, looks like link is breaking trend as we speak. Let's wait for the close. You got 15 minutes, but if it closes right here in 15 minutes, doesn't look no bueno. No bueno. I bet the 4-hour. Yeah, 4 hours looking very, very shady, man. If you look at the 4-hour time frame for Link, look at the 4-hour time frame from Link, man. You're getting the 4-hour stock RSI cross, okay? You're getting the momentum waves crossing back to the downside. It's not a good look on the 4-hour time frame for Link, man. Definitely not a good link. Definitely not a good link, man. definitely not a good link. That's for damn sure. I gotta say, I mean, the next target I would say for Link is 590. If 590 doesn't hold, I mean, you got these wicks down here to come and take, right? 528. I look for those two levels, but man, I mean, it really comes down to you'll see a $5 Link if Bitcoin probably can't hold 19.2. Bitcoin breaks 19.2, you're most likely gonna see a below $5 Link, most likely, for sure. Let's see. I missed Dale. All right, Bitcoin's still continuing down, guys. Slow and steady wins the race here for Bitcoin, I guess. Holy moly, man. You guys remember this? You guys remember this thing? Holy moly. You remember this? Because I do. It's okay, guys. We'll see this in like 3 years, all right? Let's put this away for 3 years. All right, yeah, go back over here. We'll put that back over there for 3 years, you know? Near at 375, you buy it yet? I did not, Michael. I did not. Let me look at near real quick. Let's see. Near still in this wedge, but Bitcoin's breaking its wedge, you know? And this Bitcoin can bounce before the close. I mean, you draw it like this. I mean, you're cutting off some candles there, but near might be breaking trend. Could see 355 near. or so, give or take. But listen, man, like I could see the point where near comes down to like 355, tries to bounce back up, retests, and then comes back down. And then you have this little left shoulder, head, right shoulder, continuation to the downside. That definitely would be no bueno either. No bueno. No bueno. I want to see what Bitcoin does on this close, though. If there's like any chance for Bitcoin to stay relatively okay, what you want to see before the close in the next 12 minutes is a move back up here, man. All right? That's what you want to see. The chat is like going nuts, man. Dude, I think right now is like, right now is probably the worst I've seen the chat as far as just everyone wanting the price to go lower and everyone thinking the price is going to go lower. It's definitely one of those days, man. It's a lot of negativity in the chat. As far as, you know, I guess you can't call it negativity because I guess it's just being real, but definitely one of the more one of the more negative chats I've seen in a long time, man. Definitely for sure, man. And I get why. Like over here when Bitcoin went to 17K, it was pretty bloody, but like you started to bounce back up, and it was like, all right. But what do we always say? If Bitcoin's gonna bottom, it's gonna do a double bottom. And that's why like the second test is always more bloody, man. You know why? Because the second test is what the second test does is it basically gets a lot of people to buy in right here at the highs, which we always say don't FOMO, man. Don't FOMO. If you're gonna buy supports. Don't buy resistances. It gets a lot of people to buy in right here, and then it starts coming back down again. People sell right here, think it's going to go lower, which it could. Right? It definitely could. You could be right. That's definitely possible. But it gets people to sell right here, and that's why the second test is always pure negativity, man. You know what I mean? That's why. That's why it's like that. Link easy. Let's see. Sunshine and rainbows, not today. Man, it's never sunshines or rainbows, man. Never sunshines or rainbows. 1.4K watching and only 7 likes. Guys, smack up that like button for your boy. I know it's a terrible day, bro. Listen, I'm a hodler, okay? My portfolio goes down just like yours, okay? Okay? But listen, you got to be okay with any scenario. Invest money you can afford to see down, okay? Invest money you can afford to see down for a little bit. It's okay, man. It's okay. It is what it is. It is what it is. At least we're getting price action on stream. Oh, facts, man. Facts. 19.6 though. Here we go. 19.6. Let's see what Bitcoin does here. Next target, like we said, man. I mean, at this point, next target is 19.3. You got previous lows coming in back here. Okay. I'd be looking at, adjust it to exact. I kind of just drew this randomly before, but let's put it right to the close where I'd be looking at next. Yeah, right there. At about 19.234. Is technically speaking the next target. Let's see if it has enough juice to get down there. It definitely could. And we'll see where we go from there. If we break there, man, we're getting awfully close to these lows over here. Awfully close to those lows. You know what I'm saying? 10 minutes into the weekly close. Yeah, the weekly close at this point is going to be an ugly weekly close. Definitely an ugly weekly close. What's going on, David? Cheers, my friend. Cheers. Cheers, my friend. At least we're getting the dumpage now before I go on vacation. Hopefully that means maybe we pump while I'm on vacation for once. You know what I mean? Or that means it's just going to be carnage. It's going to be a dump now and then more of a dump this week as I go on vacation. That's what it could mean too. Hey, it is what it is. But I got some sources for you guys. I got some sources. Hold on. What's going on, guys? It's Ken. I got some sources for you guys. Here's my sources for you. A birdie told me, a birdie around the edge told me that at this point, you know, I'm friends with the market makers, you know what I mean? And I got the sources, you know, I got the sources. A birdie told me that Bitcoin at this point, it's probably going to 14K. All right, at this point. Now, let me tell you why. Let me tell you exactly why. Listen, I have no idea. I don't do TA. I don't watch the news, but all I know is one of my market maker friends told me Bitcoin's going to 14K. So respect the sources, man. I'm the same guy who told BitBoy, you know, we're going to $585 in 2021. I'm the same guy, you know, who, you know. Listen, man. Hi, IQ. Let's see. Let's see you guys are saying in the chat. $100 on every paycheck every week. We make you Brett. Brett, man. You got the right idea, bro. Get the right idea. In bear markets, the people who just accumulate will be the winners in the end. I hate saying it's a broken record, and everyone's going to be like, oh, blah, 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 blah. It's true, though. It's true. Take a load of Megamind over here. Like he stuffed the library in the cranium. It's definitely true. All right, $5.99. We got 7 minutes into the close, my man. There's nothing for the... Dude, the Vikings right now are lost, right? The Bulls right here are like this. Oh, shit. Vikings. We have nothing to fight for. We have lost the battle. And quite frankly, we are close to losing the war. So, Bulls, if we have any hope... Let me have a sip of vodka here, because I need a sip of vodka for this one. I have no hope right now. Bulls, if we want to have any hope of going back to the upside, we must continue to fight. We must fight now. Because we are getting battered. We are getting our balls cooked by the Bears. So drink your vodka. Drink your drinks. And let's get rocking. Screw this, man. Screw this. We have no chance of going up. I'm friggin' out of here. I quit this job. You can find another fake Viking. Fuck this. Fuck this stupid shit. There's no swords. Look at the chat. Look at the chat, man. It's such the opposite of when you're in a bull market, man. There's no swords. Look at the chat, man. I'll show you guys the chat. Look at the chat, man. Hold on. You guys got to see this chat. There is not one sword in the chat. There's no hope. Everyone's just going nuts, man. Oh, my Lord. No one has any hope. I remember back in the day, we do that. Dude, the chat was going nuts with swords and shields. Now there's like one sword. Oh, Lord, man. No one's got any swords. Look at that chat. Look at the chat. There's not one sword, bro. Play the pump song? No. I'm just going to fart at this point. I don't know why that always farts. I turn off the fart, and every time I go back to that screen, it farts. I apologize, guys. I promise I'm not actually farting, man. Arrow to the knee. See you in Valhalla. All right. Let's go back to BTC. Yeah, so a pretty girthy hourly candle coming in here for BTC. Hallelujah. It's raining red candles. Hallelujah. It's raining red candles. Let's go check Ethereum. All right, because I know you guys want to check Ethereum. Real quick. Galari said, hey, bro, what is happening with the price of the Bone Shiba Swap token? Should it correlate with the price of Bitcoin? Bro, do you think I'm actually going to look at Shiba Swap token?
Bro, I love meme coins, and I'm not even gonna look at that shit. What is that shit? Bone Shiba Swap? Who came up with that, an 8-year-old? God, man, where do they come up with these? Buy Shiba, not Shiba Bone Swap. How do you even swap bones? What are you, a doctor? You can swap bones all of a sudden? Get the shit out of here. Such a stupid meme coin. God, man. Shit.
We're not looking at that shit, man. Galari. Holy shit, man. Appreciate the super chat, but come on, man. The pity sword, said Dave. Dave, appreciate the super chats, man. Dave's going nuts today. That's nuts. All right, here goes Bitcoin coming even lower. 19.55. Dude, at this point, I mean, we said 19,234 is most likely on the way, my friends. At the very least. 19,234 is the next support level. There's not really any supports besides that looking left. Just 19,234, my friends. That's it. That's it. That's it. Let's go check out ETH. All right, so there goes another falling wedge for Ethereum. This was the bull hopium right here, okay? This was the bull hopium. If there was any chance, we wanted to see this hold, okay? And you got 3 hits to the downside, 3 hits to the downside, 3 hits to the upside. And, well, ETH said, absolutely not. Not a chance in the world.
Nope.
and just crashed to the downside. All right. So there we go. Looks like in the next 3 minutes, ETH should close below this. And that should be a confirmed breakout. If there's any way we can get back into it, awesome. But you technically are breaking that falling wedge to the downside. So, there goes Ethereum back to the downside too, my friends. So, where are we looking at ETH? Well, I mean, I would say, the next logical support is down here at 13.57. I mean, you just look at, we're not doing anything crazy here, but you just look at the previous support right here, previous swing low. That's it. That's it. There's really not much in between that, right? Straight up, straight down, straight up. There's nothing in between there and 13.57, my friends. That is it. That's it. Let's see. Negative 300 on futures. Yeah, the S&P Mini. Took the S&P Mini here real quick. Why this always? Does you guys trading view always reset like that for no reason? S&P Mini's futures coming down hot and heavy here too. Down 1.16. You guys said the NASDAQ futures are down 300 points. You making that up? Let me check this out over here. By the way, guys, keep signing up to the Crypto Madness tournament, my friends. How many predictions we got in here, by the way? Let me see. How many predictions we got? Nice, dude. We got 53 predictions. Guys, let's try to get 100 predictions in here. If you guys want to join this contest, okay, it's going to be a weekly contest going forward. What you basically do is you fill out this bracket. Okay, every day the higher gainer moves on to the next round. You get 1 point if you guess the right one. Okay, every day we do another round. Whoever has the most points at the end, kind of like Crypto March Madness, okay, wins. Okay, so we're gonna do this every week. Obviously Monday first round, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday the winner. We announce it on Saturday. Bada bing, bada boom. All right, and then we'll start again on Sunday. If you want to join, link is pinned to the top of the chat, my man. Make sure you get your prediction in there. I'll be doing my prediction. And quite frankly, I will kick all your guys' asses. Why? Because every game that I play, I win every game that I play. Okay? Did I just hear a no? Did I just hear a little mouse say no somewhere? I win every game that I play. For instance, yesterday, me and Maya went to go play ping pong. Kicked her ass. Now, she did beat me a few games. Oh! It's the daily close, my friends. But she did beat me a few games. I think we played, 10 games? I won 7, she won 3. She's not too bad, man. She's not too bad. I'm better, obviously. Do you see me? I'm obviously better. But she won a few games. So it is what it is. 19,559. So Bitcoin closed at a measly. Let's see. Measly. It's very measly, guys. You guys know when I say measly, it's not a good close. We closed at a measly. About 19,550, it looks like. So there it is, man. We closed below the wedge. Can we get back into it? We'll find out in the next episode of the Cryptoverse. But at the moment, there it is, man. There it is. The big move we were looking for. Well, at least on the hourly time frame. We at least got that volatility come in. So it was due, right? It was just sideways. Right before the weekly close. Boom! Right to the downside. It's probably going to, it's coming up to retrace. Get this vector candle right here. Is it going to come up, retrace this, and come back down? We'll see. But, logically speaking, the next level we're looking at is 19,234, my friends. 19,234. Let's see. What you mean is Maya let you win some games so you wouldn't act like Bob? You kidding me, man? I wouldn't act like Bob if I lost. This is how Bob acts when I loses.
What? You cheated! You literally just cheated. I saw that. No, I had 11 points. You only had 10. It was 11-10 me. Okay? And I just scored. I won. What do you mean it's 11-11? No, you literally lost. I had 11, not you. Christ. You're such a cheater. Just a freaking cheater. Come on, man. Christ. I know you're cheating. I'm not playing anymore. I refuse to play. You're mean. Okay? You're mean. Is it because I live in the basement? Is that why you're doing this to me? Christ, man.
Don't mess with Bob, man. Don't mess with Bob. What's going on, man? We need to buy some more people in the pyramid? No, we don't need that. We don't need that. All right, so yeah, so Bitcoin just wicked up a little bit. So let's see what we do here. 15-minute time frame. We just took yeah, we're not really doing too much. We just opened, so you're going to see a little bit of movement on the open. We'll see what we do here. Ultimately speaking, I think 19.2 is most likely coming here. Let me actually just draw this real quick. This is actually interesting. Hold on. Let me draw this. Do something like this. Bada bing, bada boom. Sounds kind of sexy when I talk like that. Should I use that later, guys? Yeah. Let me draw this like this, guys. Let me draw this like this. Ooh, yeah. Let me draw this like this. It actually bounced right. It actually bounced right at that level of this falling broadening wedge. I don't know if this is gonna play out. This is just speculation, man. I don't know if this is gonna play out. Right? This is technically a bullish reversal pattern. I doubt this is gonna play out like this at this point, but let's see. Let's see, man. It's actually kind of funny if you take it from the closes, how it actually bounced right. Pretty much. It's a little bit off, but it bounced pretty much right off that bottom there. Let's see if it can bounce back up. I doubt this is going to play out, though. I doubt it. I doubt it. So keep that in mind. All right, guys. All right. Let's see. S&P futures getting crushed. DXY coming up. I mean, coming up hot and heavy already on the day, man. Let's go look at the DXY on the daily. Yeah, DXY. There goes the DXY to the highs, man. Java's about to party to this one. Actually, I think everyone is at this point. Here we go.
Wow, look at the DXY. I love dollars. All you guys are losing your dollars. All you holders, you're losing all your dollars. All you guys trying to long, you're losing all your dollars. And I'm sorry, I don't mean to be mean, but it's just awesome. I've been right for so long, and you guys keep counter trading me. Don't do it. Don't do it. I want to see you guys win too, okay? Stop being idiots. Okay? You guys can win too. Just follow my lead, okay? Follow my lead. Short Bitcoin. That's how you win, okay? Dollars. You want dollars? Not Bitcoin. All right, I'll see you guys. Me and Savvy are going on a fishing trip while Jordan goes on vacation. So I might not see you guys on Wednesday next week. So I hope you guys have a fantastic week. I'm going to continue to short, and me and Savvy are going to have so much fun. Right, Savvy? Right, Savvy?
Get the hell away from me. I'm miserable, don't you know? Get away from me. I guess you're better than my wife. I don't have to shill her store anymore, I guess. All right, come here, Jabba. Come here. Let me get a hug. Yeah, the fishing trip coming up, by the way. Set sail on the SS Java. Yes, the SS Java, man. The SS. Let me see this. Wow, look at this poll. You're so right, man. Let's look at this poll. We have 1,365 votes on this poll, by the way, guys. Bitcoin breaking down. Where is your next buy level for Bitcoin? So we have 22% that says 19K. We have 28% that says 17 to 18K. We have 26% that say 14 to 17K, and we have 24% that say 14K. So it's pretty evenly split. People have no idea. People have no idea what the hell's going to happen. Does anyone really know what's going to happen? No. And this poll kind of shows it, you know, where 23% are waiting for below 14K, 22% are buying now. Does anyone have no idea? No one does. No one does. We're all just having fun, I guess, out here at this point. You know what I mean? All you can do if you're a hodler, which at the end of the day I'm a hodler, I do some trading here and there, but at the end of the day, I guess you gotta have fun with it, man. You gotta have fun with it. Embrace the bear market, man. Embrace the bear market. The more you embrace the bear market, the easier it'll be, man. Embrace the bear market. Get used to the red candles, okay? I've seen so many red candles. I've seen so many capitulations where I look at it and I'm like, holy shit, look at that red candle. And I sit there and I go, could be worse. You know? If I want to be honest, could be worse. Embrace the bear market, I guess, guys. Let's see. George says it's all used people's fault that are high leverage shorting. You're killing crypto. No, dude, that's one of the dumbest narratives I've ever seen. I hate when people say that. Oh, it's leverage while you're dumping, bro. Half the reason Bitcoin went to 69K was from leverage from longs. It works both ways. You know what I mean? It works both ways. Only reason you can go high a lot of times is because you liquidate shorts. The only reason you can go low sometimes is you can liquidate longs. That's why you see massive volatility in crypto, because people are using so much freaking leverage, right? So it goes both ways. You want volatility? There's got to be leverage in the market. You know what I mean? It is what it is, man. It is what it is. Solana a good buy right now? Depends where you think Bitcoin's going. You know what I mean? If you look at for Solana, I mean, technically speaking, here's the deal. I don't like answering, is this a good buy right now? Because it all depends on what you think is going to happen, man.
Good buy right now?
Technically speaking, I would say looking at where it's at right now. Okay, just look at the Solana chart. Look where it's at right now. Okay, look at that. 30.15. Who's sniffing in here? All I hear, I'm just sitting here. I hear in the back. I'm like, all I hear is this. I think like horse guy's sitting in here. Yeah, Maya going nuts over there. What's she doing? You know, if you look at Solana, I mean, look at it for what it is. Okay. I would say this box right here. You could certainly buy now if you wanted to. But just looking at where it is, I think it looks likely to come back into this, okay? It looks likely to come back into at least 28 to 26 range, man, okay? At the very least. So if I was looking to DCA some Solana, and this is personally me, you guys do what you want to do. If I was looking to DCA some Solana, which I might, maybe I'll do it in this range, this would be the area I would, okay? Just because that was your previous lows. And what you hold for if you're a bull, if you would hold for a W formation, might not play out, all right? And if it doesn't, well, that's why that's why it's called DCA. You know, you don't really know where the bottom's going to be. So if we go to Solana, let me get a better Solana chart here. Solana on this one's better here. There we go. Yeah, I mean this is the big range for Solana right here, man. Is this range right here? That's so much confluence in that range. Looking left. If that doesn't hold, I'd probably look at. I mean, Sol could drop. I mean, I would not be. This is if Bitcoin did the whole 14K bonanza, which it seems like everyone thinks going to happen at this point. I would be surprised to see Sol back down like $17, which sounds crazy now, but it's really not. Like if you think a couple months ago, Sol was at $150, right? And now it's at 30. But you know, that's probably if Bitcoin drops to 14K. You know what I mean? If you think Bitcoin's going to hold its current low, probably right here. All right. So you do what you want to do. It all depends on what you think is going to happen. You know. Mass adoption. Pity sword. There's no pity swords in here, my friend. What is it? 811. 811, man. You're cool, bro. Thank you, Matt. Thanks for hanging out, man. I appreciate you. I mean, people either think I'm cool or weird. Like, let me ask the chat. Do you guys think I'm cool or weird? Or a little bit of both? You let me know. You let me know. Okay? I think I'm a little bit of both. If you say I'm weird, well, guess what? I'll come find you. Say I'm freaking weird? I'll find you, bro. I'll find you. You want to say I'm weird? Come mess with me. Because I'll show you what's up. I'll show you what's up. You don't want to mess with your boy. Because I'll come over there and I'll wipe that sorry smile right up your ass. All right? I'll do it. Don't be talking shit. You better say I'm cool. No, you do what you want to do, man. You do what you want to do. Both? I love it, man. Weird? Both? Cool? Weird? Weird as fuck. Oh, man. Weird? Come on. Come on, man. You're weirdly cool. Come on, man. Bro, I'm probably just your typical. I wouldn't say typical. No, I wouldn't say typical. I take that back. I take that back. All right, let's see what else we got going on here, guys. I mean, alts, guys, when it comes to alts right now, you know the deal, right? You know the deal. Watch the Bitcoin chart. They're going to go with Bitcoin, especially in times of uncertainty, like at the moment where people are like, oh, where's Bitcoin going to bottom on this move? They're going to follow BTC, all right? So just keep an eye on that. As far as Bitcoin charts, I think that's pretty much what we got. I will say this on the weekly time frame. I mean, we talked about this the other day. If the weekly closes this week red, that's not going to be very good, man. And the reason why I say that is because here's the two things that I'm watching here, guys. You got the weekly stock cross, okay, right here. Typically speaking, okay, and we said that this week, like if this week closes bad, we're going to see that weekly stock RSI cross on Bitcoin. That's not a good sign, okay? It's not a good sign if you want to keep it real, okay? At least in a bear market. In a bear market, that has never been a good sign, okay? Last time we got one was right here. You saw what happened after that. The time before that, we got one was right here, okay? You saw what happened after that. So take it for what you will. I'm not going to say you're going to dump, like this time, for instance. This time, for instance, you dumped 50%, okay? This time, for instance, you dumped, this time right here, you dumped 60%. I'm not going to say you're going to dump 50% again. You know, technically speaking, I mean, a 50% dump from the highs there would be about, of course it is, about 12.5. 60% dump would be around, you know, 10K. Of course it is. But that's typically not a good sign in the last couple times that we did see these. I mean, even in bullish times, it's typically not a good sign. That you typically got to pull back after that. So not only that, it looks like our momentum waves are about to come back down to, if we close another week red, looks like the momentum waves are going to start coming back down too. So that is not typically a good sign, right? That's typically not a very good sign. And then Fumble said that the bearish engulfing on the monthly time frame. Let's see. Yeah, the bearish engulfing on the monthly time frame. Let's see. Let me just clear this out here. Yeah, I mean, if you close the monthly where it's at right now, it technically is a bearish engulfing on the monthly. I would say this about the bearish engulfing on the monthly. Let's go back and look at all the times you had that, right? And maybe we can kind of discuss if that's important. If you close anywhere below, let's see. If you close anywhere below 19... looks about 19,900. You'll get the bearish engulfing on the monthly time frame. All right. Let's look at all the times that we had that in the past. So this one right here obviously was not very good. Right. Bearish engulfing right here. Boom. Boom shakalaka. You definitely had a lot of warning shots fired. Back down to the downside right there, my friend. The time before that, let's see. Not a lot of them actually. You had one right here. This was an uptrend. So I mean, you could argue that that's not very valid. You did have a bearish engulfing right there. You actually pumped. Okay. Let's see. Any other bearish engulfing ones? Right here. Did go down a little bit more the next month. You don't have a ton of them actually. This one right here, you get a bearish engulfing. You actually have pumping. You don't have a lot. There's not a lot of them actually in Bitcoin's history. This one right here, you actually dumped and then you actually continued into a bull market. I would say that this is not too important to me. Is it a good thing? No. Right? You don't want to see a bearish engulfing candle. I wouldn't say, just based on what I'm looking at here, it's not very useful in my opinion. Like for instance, like look at this one, man. You know what I mean? This was at the bottom of the bear market. You had one right here, bearish engulfing, and then you just went into a bull market right after that, right? So obviously times are different, but if you're just looking at the chart, you know, you could find ones that they are important. This one, right? This one. But there's times that they're not. So It's obviously not a good sign, right? But I wouldn't take it as the end all be all. Like you're gonna freaking go to 10K because you get a bearish engulfing candle. But definitely, I would prefer to close above 19.9. That's definitely true. Definitely true. Let me see. Let me see, man. What's up, Clancy? $250 BTC? That would not be good. That would not be good. That would not be good, man. That would definitely not be good. Let's see. In Friday, we get a non-farm employment change news. No mod. Yeah, guys, a mod can't delete a super chat, okay? Whoever said, Vanilla, a mod can't, like, if you do it, they can delete the message, but I'll still see the super chat. All right. Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Oh, this is the big chin guy. This is the guy who has the nuts as the chin. Oh, yeah. You guys remember this guy back in the day? Holy moly, man. Hey, why are you looking at me like that? Is it because I got nuts on my face? Yeah. You wish you had nuts on your face. You like my joke? You wish you had nuts on your face. I remember this guy. This is the guy from like, holy, that was probably like a year ago at this point. The nuts guy face? Holy moly, man. S&P dumping. ETH coming down. I mean, we already know that this is at this point. The bald chin guy. You remember that guy back in the day? Holy moly, man. Holy moly. Looks like that guy from Men in Black 2. That's definitely true. That's definitely true. What does Carl think about the charts today, guys? If you guys watch Carl's video today, holy moly, man. Holy moly. You guys, after the stream, go watch Carl's video. Let me know in the Discord what you think about it. I learned a lot. Let's see what Carl had to say about today. Thanks for jumping back into the moon. She doesn't even do the intro anymore. Hello, guys. I am at a racetrack right now. Yes, I am at a racetrack. Totally right now. This is super, super cool. I am actually at the FX racetrack right now. It's going to be an awesome race. It's absolutely great. I'm here with my friend Fred. I know you have no idea who Fred is, and you don't give a shit about who Fred is because you guys clicked on my super, super clickbaity thumbnail saying it's an emergency for Bitcoin with a giant face. Looks like I'm about to suck a giant cock. But that's okay. You don't care about who Fred is. But here we go, guys. Let's talk about the Bitcoin chart. So you guys can clearly see that right here, Bitcoin just broke down from a bear flag, okay? And I know you guys could probably draw this on your own chart too, but you guys see Bitcoin broke from a bear flag. And if you take the measure move from the bear flag and you actually do this, back down to the measure move, you guys can see that the measure move target for Bitcoin is back down at 14K, exactly like we've talked about, guys. So we'll see. Is 14K coming? We'll see. All right, back to the racetrack talk. So guys, like the racetrack is absolutely huge over here, okay? And if you guys want to be able to go to racetracks like me, make sure you guys sign up using my Bybit link down below so you can trade the market on super high leverage and probably get wrecked. That's okay. Make sure you guys use my Bybit link down below. $400, and you can go to racetracks just like me, okay? Just like me. See you guys later. Peace out. Oh, my Lord. Clint, what's going on, buddy? What's going on, Clint? Clint. Francis, don't be saying that, guys. Don't be saying that. I just had a 50% trade on Sol short. People think we are going to Lowe's. People think we're going to Lowe's. I don't know about to start laddering back in. You think so? We'll find out, man. I mean, everyone has different opinion right now, bro. That's why at this point, I have the crypto I have. I'll keep buying as we go down, but take your time, right? Take your time. Don't be rushing into it. There's no need to rush, in my opinion. I'm just going to ladder in slowly. I already have bought in this range for the most part. So was that a fart of Maya? No, I think that was like a giant. I think that was a giant truck out there, man. Honk, honk, honk. You know. Let's see. You're. My Carl impersonation is actually longer than his videos. It's so true. It's so true. All right. Anyways, I think we pretty much chatted. We chatted very, very nicely about pretty much everything for BTC here, guys. You know, I would say the hope for the bulls is this falling broadening wedge playing out to the upside. I don't see, and this is what these patterns try to make you do, right? You don't see where the buy pressure is coming from, and then it comes out of nowhere. To be fair, I mean, that's the whole point of a pattern, right? Just like a falling wedge. Like, it looks bearish because it's going down, but it's actually a bullish pattern. We'll see if this plays out. I mean, it bounced off actually a pretty perfect level. Now what you want to see is Bitcoin slowly start to make its way back up to the upside, right? So we'll see. We'll see. But technically speaking, Bitcoin did break down from the falling wedge that we were looking to hold. Where is it? Right here. Technically speaking, did break down from here. You did break that 786 retracement from the swing low. Why is this like this? Hold on. Swing low. Just kidding. You didn't break the 786. What the hell happened to this? I did not do that. Holy moly. Put this right here. Just kidding. The 786 is at the... Bro! Thank you. 786 is at these previous lows. Okay, 19.2. That's why I say the next logical target is 19.2. Will it get there? We'll find out. I think it will. At this point, I think it will. Just because there's nothing really here for Bitcoin to bounce off of. But I guess Bitcoin doesn't really need to bounce off anything, you know? Let's see what we got going on in the chat here, guys. Let's see what we got going on in the chat here, my friends. Maximum hopium. Hey, man. Looking at both scenarios on here, bro. We do have the bearish targets. We talked about those already. I think everyone knows the bearish targets. George, can you please look at the BNB chart? Sure, man. Sure. I'm letting this refresh for a second here, by the way. We got 625 likes. Holy shit. That's a lot for a bear market stream. Holy moly, man. Can we get to 800 likes? Maybe. I think we can. Maybe we can get to 800 likes. I think so. I think so, at least. That's just my opinion, but you guys take it for what you will. We can look at BNB. BNB's been a rock in the bear market. Look at BNB. It's actually, it's crazy where BNB is and then where Bitcoin is. Like, Bitcoin's pretty much already at its lows. And look where BNB is. Holding up like a rock up here, man. Look at BNB. Now, will that change pretty quickly? Could. I mean, BNB looks like it broke trend. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 touches, you broke trend. You know, I mean, what you'll probably see here is this is a support level coming across like this. That's a support level. So to see a retrace back up, you know, a rejection for a continuation, probably makes some sense. But on the flip side, when you look at this is, you know, do you already have your head and shoulders pattern primed and ready to go, right? But you got your left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You get that continuation, that little continuation to the downside, which will give you a move of swing high, swing low, if it breaks out, of course, back down to 223, which you see this yellow vector candle right here? There's a lot of confluence right there. Right there. See that yellow vector looking left? Boom. Measure move. Puts you right at that vector candle right there. At 224. All right? We'll see. We'll see what it is. Right? It is what it is. You know what I think we have so many likes today? I think we have so many likes because people are happy it's going down. I think most people want the price to go down at this point. I'm not going to do that poll again. We know I've done that poll many different times. Every time I do that poll, we get someone in the chat who goes like this.
You're doing that poll again? You do that poll every day. Do something new. Like, this poll is ridiculous. All right? We want to see, at this point, we're in a bear market. All right? We are all wrecked. All right? At least you can do is put up like a stripper poll or something. We don't want a freaking crypto poll. Give us a stripper poll. Give us a stripper poll. Nice, man.
A stripper poll? Bob, what did you just ask? I want the friend so bad. Well, I will strip for you. Here you go, Bob. Here you go. I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts. You like that, Bobby? Why are we playing the pump song? What the hell? Get out of here, pump song. Holy moly, man. Why are we playing the pump song? 19636. What's up, Crypt? Good to see you, buddy. Good to see you. Good to see you in the chat, as always. That turned me on for real? Oh, God. You get turned on by horse guy, I don't know what to tell you, man. I don't know what to tell you. This is what it is. You got something wrong with you at this point. All right. So, DXY's mooning. Stock market's coming down. Alt's coming down. Yeah, no, but for BNB, I mean, 222. If you can't hold this level, like this is the big level to hold right here. Same thing for Bitcoin, right? 19,200. You want to hold 19,200. For BNB, it's this level right here. I mean, you could make it a range, though. You can make it a range. It's this range right here for BNB. I'm actually going to put this green for myself. Previous low, previous high, previous low, previous low, previous low. If this breaks, I won't be surprised to be coming down here, man. You know? So watch this range very, 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 very carefully. Very, very carefully. If you want any hope for it to go up, you probably want to bounce from this level to the upside. That breaks, boop, coming down here. Let's see. But right now, I mean, you are still at supports for a lot of alts. It's just that could change very quickly, you know?
Best place to keep crypto long-term in your opinion? Not financial advice. I've been in crypto since March 2021. Love your stream.
Alex, what's up, bud? Best place to keep crypto long-term in your opinion? Dude, the best place to keep it is in a hardware wallet, man. All right? You can use a browser wallet too. Just in a wallet. Keep it in a freaking wallet, man. Probably a hardware wallet, but if you want to use a browser wallet, I'm not gonna blame you either. Just probably not in exchanges, man. Probably not exchanges. Just because here's the thing, man. Bitcoin's starting to come back down again. Last time Bitcoin started to come to these ranges, what did you see? Voyager pooped. Celsius pooped. Okay? Get your crypto off exchanges, man. Get your crypto off exchanges, especially with Bitcoin coming down again. Okay? If you didn't already, if another, here's the thing. If another one of these exchanges goes down, at this point, I think every single influencer has said, get your crypto off exchanges. Okay? So if it happens, I don't mean to be a dick, but at this point, so many people have told you to do it. Can you feel bad at that point? No. Right? Get your crypto off exchanges. That's it. Let's see. Apparently some exchange and not going to do some ETH fork. Huh? I don't even know what that means, man. Hold on, I'll read that in a second. TA Angala might buy another 50K coins. 50K coins? Jordan, please cancel your vacation. We need you on board. I can't cancel my vacation. I can't. But here's the deal. It's going to help you guys because whenever I go on vacation, the market dumps. You guys know what I do. You guys probably know what I do, man. No, I'm not coming. Get out of here. You guys know what I do on vacation, man. Okay? Here's what I do. So it's as easy as this. Take it for what it is. Okay? I go on vacation. I go like this. Jordan on vacation. Yo, what's going on? What's going on, market makers? Hey, I'm on vacation. You know what this means? It's time to start the dump, so we can be able to buy more, right? Let's buy more. Here we go. Okay, yes. I just got confirmation from Jordan. He is on vacation right now. Yes, you know what to do. You know what to do. He warned all his followers that the market always dumps while he's on vacation. Yes, he did. Yes, he did. Okay, yes, you know what to do. Absolutely dump it and then rip it up like you've never ripped it up before. Okay? Yes, you have confirmation to do it now. Do it now. Now. He's already on vacation. Do it now. Dump it. Yes. We are dumping. Ah, what a wonderful vacation. You guys know the whole story. There it is. Let's see. V-shape recovery. Why would you put it in? It's only Sunday. Jordan's already mailing it in. I'm not mailing it in.
KDA for Kimmy?
Huh?
Can you do KDA for Kimmy? He says,
KDA?
She says that he or she says that you are ignoring her.
Oh, Kimmy. Now I gotta troll, man. All right. Here's Kimmy, guys. Here's Kimmy. Here's Kimmy. Here's Kimmy in the chat. Kimmy, listen. Kimmy, I know you watch all the time. But you did it. You did it. Here it is. Oh my god, like, Jordan's ignoring me in the chat. He has like 1,500 people in here, and he doesn't read my chats. Like, I'm thinking about unsubscribe. I'm unsubscribing. He doesn't even read his stream, even though he's staring at the chat the whole time. Like, I'm unsubscribing. He never reads my chat. I don't feel welcome here. I don't feel welcome. I'm unsubscribing. I'm gonna go watch Lifer. He wears a suit. At least he looks professional. This guy's just friggin' weird. At least he wears a suit, and you might, I'm gonna go watch Lifer. Come on, Kimmy. What was it? KDA? Maj?
KDA, yep.
All right, let's look at Cadena. Cadena. Let's see. Like. All right, here we go. KDA. Let's see. On the daily time frame. Here we go. Here we go. Cadena. Let's see. So, I mean, KDA is coming to support. Just like I said with Solana, it's the same thing. If you think Bitcoin's going to hold the lows, all right, down here, let me just draw that little box, a little box here. Down in this box right here, where we bottomed every single dip, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Buying this little dip right here is the way to go if you think Bitcoin's going to hold the lows. But I will warn you, okay? Do not buy here if you're not okay with it going lower. It's not a guarantee it goes lower, right? There's no guarantee. No one knows what's going to happen, right? Everyone's speculating 14K. I get it. I get that standpoint. Like I say, it's impossible. If you think it's going to 14K, well, I'm looking down here. Probably more likely to be this range down here, which looks big and scary. But you got to remember where we came from, right? We came from a $26 KDA. It's at 156. What's another 50% down among friends? You know what I mean? 80 cents to 88 cents is if that level breaks, that's where I'm looking, right? There's no support there. You went straight up, straight down. That's the next area of support, previous highs, 80 to 88 cents. So, if you don't know what's going to happen, maybe scoop a little bit up right here and then scoop a little bit more up right here. I'm always a proponent of scooping up in intervals and not just going all in at one spot. But do what you want to do, right? I'm not here to tell you what to do. Just be prepared for it. I think this is a decent spot to DCA. I think this is a decent spot to DCA. If it goes lower than that, well, you probably got more problems, right? So, I mean, take your for what it is. But those are the two levels to look at for KDA as far as that goes. All right. I knew what was going to happen when I ate Taco Bell. When you ate Taco Bell, when you eat Taco Bell, you already know what's going to happen, man. Actually, Taco Bell sounds delicious. No, Jordan, you just bought food at the grocery store today. You don't need Taco Bell. You're going on vacation, Jordan. You don't need Taco Bell. Okay? You gotta look sexy for vacation. You don't need Taco Bell, okay? You can't look like Jabba on vacation. Imagine if I go on vacation, guys, meeting Maya's parents, and I go like this, and I show up like this. Hey guys, it's Jordan. And they go, wait, I thought you were skinnier. Yeah, well, I was. Until I decided to eat Taco Bell, Indian food, and Mexican food every day before I came here. Now this is me, Now this is me. It's nice to meet you guys, and I swear, guys. Though I swear, I am awesome. I'm awesome, man. How do I show up like that? Oh, get out of here, Maj. Christ, man. All right. I'm getting shit on right now. Jordan, catfishing. Facts. All right. That's KDA. What else you guys asked for in here? Oh, Gala. Gala for Psycho Pro. Let's look at Gala for Psycho Pro. Where's Gala at, my friends? How many people we got in the Crypto Madness tournament, by the way? Let's take a look. Let's see predictions. 70. All right. 70. I want 100. I personally want 100. This is going to close tonight, guys. This is going to close actually at midnight tonight. I think I have it set for. This is going to close. So make sure you get your predictions in. Okay, get your predictions in, by the way. All right? That's always a bad moment to you when you have to size up. No, it's not because I had to size up. Last time I wore the pants I was supposed to wear, they were already too tight. Like I look like I can't say this. No, I can't say this, Jordan. Don't say this. I'm not going to say what I look like, but the pants that I wore were already way too tight. Okay, so it's not because I had to size up. It's because I just wanted pants that weren't too tight. Okay. Okay, they were small, but they were small last time I wore them. Okay. This is ridiculous. What about football? Football? Oh, God, you guys, the Fantasy Football League. Dude, I asked whoever was interested in the Fantasy Football League to post in the Discord. There was like 2 people who wanted to play. I mean, if you want to play the Fantasy Football League, if you want a new Fantasy Football League, post in the Discord and say, I want to play fantasy football, okay? In the fantasy football section, okay? If I see at least 8 people post in there that want to play, I'll open the league. But if there's only 3 people who want to play, well, guys, I mean, it is what it is. It's going to get rug pulled. You know what I mean? It is what it is. So if you post in there, I will make the league. But there's got to be 8 or more people at the very least who want to play, okay? So get in there and tell me you want to play. And then we'll do it. Let's see. Let's see. All right, guys. I think we pretty much touched on everything I wanted to talk about for today, my friend. Oh, Gala. I didn't even talk about Gala. He said, can you check out Gala? I said, oh, that's pretty much it. Gala. There's something wrong with me, guys. There is. Gala. Let's see. So we're back down to pretty much 5 cents here. We're pretty much back down at the lows, my friends. We take the wicks to these lows here. That's probably the range, man. This is the range to hold for Gala here. 1 hit, 2 hits, 3 hits, 4 hits, 5 hits, 6 hits. This is the range. If you want to DCA some Gala and you think Bitcoin's not going significantly lower, this is probably the range to DCA some Gala. If you think Bitcoin's going significantly lower, well, you look left. The problem is it just doesn't have any support left. So you're basically just going to be going off of, fib retracements to the downside, which I'm not a big fan of. But if you do something like this, I mean, this is if Bitcoin probably really goes down hard. I mean, a 2.6 cent Gala would probably be in the cards if Bitcoin went to 14K. I know that sounds crazy, but is it when you zoom out? Doesn't look too far away when you zoom out, right? So that is the level I'm looking at, is if Bitcoin goes significantly lower. If it doesn't, this is the level to go for right now. Everything hinges on Bitcoin. Everything hinges on Bitcoin, guys. You know this by now, right? So, honestly, like, here, if Gala goes back to these previous lows, I buy supports. I'd probably pick up a little bit of Gala right there. Could it go lower? Sure. Okay. Gala's one of my small cap, longer term holds. So I'd probably scoop some Gala up at like 4.7 cents. If it goes back down, if it doesn't, that's fine. And then if it goes lower, I mean, that could be in the cards, man. 2.6. I'm going to have so much Gala, like over 100 of them. Nice. Nice, Crane. Nice, Crane. All right, so Bitcoin retraced half of this hourly vector candle here. So this might just have been Bitcoin retracing this vector candle. At the end of the day, if you want Bitcoin to be bullish, you've got to see it come back up and break out of this falling, broadening wedge, right? Which is technically a bullish reversal candle, but you haven't done it yet. So we shall wait. We shall wait. All you've done now is came back up, took this red vector candle, and now it can just come back down if it wants to. We'll find out. It'll be an interesting Monday, man. It'll be a very, very interesting Monday. Very interesting Monday. What do you guys think? Let me ask you guys in the chat. What do you think is going to happen to Bitcoin tomorrow? Let me know. Like, do you think it's going to be a bloody Monday? You think it's going to be a bullish Monday? Let me know. I would love to know. I would love to know. You have a kissable nose? A kissable nose? Come on. Come on, man. Everything hinges on what you say, Bitcoin. Oh, how it does? Not ETH? Long term, 2 years or so? I'm not going to do a long-term Gala prediction. I have no idea. No idea, man. Bloody, sideways, explode, duddy, bull, moon. I just said it'll be a bloodbath. It will come back to 20,300. What happened to your nose? You guys saying my nose, man? Why you guys saying my nose, bro? With DXY making new highs, the DXY is coming up, man. It is what it is, man. It is what it is at this point. It is what it is. Consolidation. Stock's going to open red. We'll figure it out tomorrow, man. At the end of the day, I'm probably going to end up calling it a stream here. We've been live for like 2 hours. It's about my bear market. My bear market limit is about 2 hours, guys. So I will catch you guys at 9:45 in the morning tomorrow. Like we said, I got Monday and I got Tuesday with you guys. And then I'm going to be gone for a week. So, you know, soak it in. Soak it in while you can. Soak in this sexiness. Soak it in, man. Because you might miss it while I'm gone. Okay? You guys always do. You guys always like to crap me when I get back. You're like, oh, I can't live without your stream. Okay, so get ready for it. Get ready for it. All right. So your nose looks very chattish. It does look very chattish, huh? That's a good thing. That means it looks sexy. Sexy. All right, guys. Take it easy. Adios. Have a fantastic night. Make sure you guys get in on the Crypto Madness tournament. Last shout out for this. This closes at midnight tonight. If you guys missed what it is, you pick the winner of each round. You get 1 point of each round. Semifinals is 3 points. Finals is 5 points. Whoever has the most points at the end wins. Okay, and you will get a prize. TBH. It depends how I'm feeling, man. Depends on how I'm feeling. So that is that, guys. That is that. I had like an interesting idea to with the prizes that I can kind of implement it in a certain way, which I might end up doing next week, which is basically like give half my affiliate, whatever my affiliate links, half of it, and I put it right back into the into these contests. I think that's a good way to do it. So I might start doing that. You know, we'll see what happens going into next week, but. Make sure you guys get in there, okay? You can find the link pinned to the chat. Make sure you get in there, all right? So, all right, guys. Adios, my friends. Have a fantastic Sunday night. See what happens for Bitcoin today. It could be an interesting night. So I'll probably have my eyes glued on the chart and or at least checking it every couple minutes. But peace out, guys. Peace out. Peace. Peace. Oh, don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your crypto, and most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. But don't be afraid to take profits on the bear market rallies. All right? Peace, guys.